Hello friends, welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College, Pune. Standard 8 Mathematics. Chapter 6 Factorization of Algebraic Expressions. Let's start with rational algebraic expressions. Practice set 6.4. Hello friends, welcome to Standard 8 Maths, Chapter 6, Factorization of Algebraic Expressions. We have started with practice set 6.4 and we are going to simplify question number 1, fourth example, which is simplify x square minus 5x minus 24 upon x minus x plus 3 into x plus 8 multiplied by x square minus 64 upon x minus 2 the whole square. Now you can see these expressions are all rational algebraic expression which is in the form a upon b. Do you remember what is a rational algebraic expression? Let me tell you. A rational algebraic expression is that expression when two algebraic expressions a and b are given, then the form a upon b is called as rational algebraic expression. Okay, so here what we have is a rational algebraic expression. This is in the form a upon b, and we are going to multiply the first rational expression with the second one, which is also in the form a upon b. So we are going to multiply two rational expressions by simplifying them. But how will you simplify them? We need to find out their factors using either expansion formulae or by factorizing the given algebraic expressions. By using various algebraic formulae and expansion formulae, not only that, we have to also find out factors. Okay, so let us see for which algebraic expression I need to find factors or I need to expand them. You have already learnt many algebraic formulae like a plus b the whole square, then a minus b the whole square. You have also learnt about a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube formulae. You have also learned how to factorize a trinomial, quadratic trinomial, isn't it? By finding out the factors. You have also learned how to use the expansion formula to simplify or factorize the algebraic expressions. Now let us use all those algebraic formulae and the factorization methods to simplify the given rational algebraic expression. Let us start now. Okay, so we have been given x square minus 5x minus 24 upon x plus 3 into x plus 8. Here you can see there is a algebraic expression. Now it is, let us just try to factorize it or find the factors. Now what do you think? Should we factorize it or do we have an expansion formula for it? Now this is x square minus 5x minus 24. Now this is a algebraic trinomial, that is, it is already a quadratic trinomial in which we have first term, second term and a constant term. So we have to use, do you remember the factors, to find out the factors if the quadratic trinomial is in the form x square minus plus a plus b into x plus ab. Then the factors of this will be x plus a and x plus b. Do you remember you have learned how to factorize the algebraic expression, isn't it? In the form of this. Now this x square minus 5x minus 24 is in the form of x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. But where do you have a and b here? We are going to find out A and B, which will be nothing but the factors. So we are going to find out the factors of this algebraic expression. But how? Let us see. Now here, x square minus 5x minus 24. In this expression, what the first thing we have to do is multiply the coefficient of the first term, which is the square term, with the constant term. So here we have, when there is no number in front of the variable, that means it always will have number 1. So 1 multiplied by, here we have minus 24. So the product will be minus 24. 1 24s are 24, plus into minus will be minus. So we have minus 24. Now this minus 24, we have to find out two factors. Do you remember? You must have already solved such algebraic expressions, factorize the algebraic expression to find out the factors, two factors, already in 6.1, 6.2 and all, and we are going to use the same now. Okay, so let us find out the factors for the number minus 24, but in such a way that when we add them, it should be equal to the middle term, the coefficient of the middle term. And if we multiply it, it should be, the product should be, the constant term should be equal to the constant term. Okay, so let us find out those two factors. Now I know the middle term is minus 5x. So the coefficient is minus 5. So I should think of two such factors whose middle term, whose addition will end up in minus 5. So which can be those two numbers? So let us see 8 and 3. 8 3s are 24. I know 8 3s is 24. So I can take 8 and 3 and I should get minus 5. So let me take the bigger number with the negative sign and let the smaller number be positive. So here I have minus 8 factor plus 3. So when minus 8 is multiplied by plus 3, I get minus 24. Minus 8 into 3 is minus 24. 8 3s are 24. Minus into plus will be minus. So of course I have got the constant term. Now let me see, minus 8 plus 3 will be equal to, now here what we have to do, 8 minus 3, I have to subtract 3 from 8 and use the sign of the bigger number because they are both of unlike signs. So here minus 8 plus 3 will give me minus 5. So minus 5 is the coefficient of the middle term. So I'm going to use two such factors, minus 8 and plus 3. So here minus 8 will be my A and plus 3 will be my B. So as I can divide minus 5x into A plus B here, right? I need to split that term. So here let me see, x square minus, let me write A here, 8x plus B will be 3x minus 24, right? So now I have got 4 terms. I have split the middle term into minus 8x plus 3x. Now I have got a group of 2 terms. I am going to simplify these two groups separately by finding out what is the common term over here. So here I get x into x will be x square. So x into x is x square. So x into x, there is a minus sign, so minus 8. Right? 8 into x is 8x, minus into plus will be minus. So here I get 8 in x into x minus 8. Now there is a plus sign in between, so plus 3 into, as I know 3 is the term that I can take as common term. 3 into x is 3x minus, here remember there is a minus sign, so plus into minus will be minus, so minus 3. Don't write 24 here, here there by which you have to multiply by 3, you get 24. So 3 8s are 24. So here plus into minus is minus. So minus 24. 3 into minus 8 is minus 24. So I have got simplified that. So x into, now here I have, which is a common term, if we form a single factor. So here it will be 8 minus x minus 8 and remaining is x plus 3. Right? So these are the factors. So you have to undergo 3 different steps to find out the factors of the given algebraic expression. So I have got these factors. Now let us see what about the denominator. Now denominator already is in the form of 2 factors, so I will leave it as it is. Now here we have the next rational algebraic expressions, x minus x square minus 64. So let me take that x square minus 64. Now this can be converted into the form a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? So can I convert this expression? Yes, x square can be converted into x the whole square minus sign as it is. 64 is a square term, right? Square of 8. So I can write this as 8 square. 8 8s are 64. So this can be written as x plus 8 and x minus 8, right? So I have got the 2 factors for even the second algebraic expression. This one, x minus 8, the whole square. The third one, let me see, x minus 8, the whole square can be simply written as x minus 8 multiplied by x minus 8. Why am I doing this? Because 8 is actually a cube of 2, but square root of 8 we don't have, it will go in decimal. So I am going to keep this as it is, and x minus 8 the whole square can be divided into 2 factors like this, x minus 8 which will form one binomial, and here x minus 8 the other binomial, which when multiplied will give x minus 8 the whole square only. So let me use this form as factors of this expression, x minus 8 the whole square. Okay, now I have got factors for the first expression, this expression and this expression. So let me now start simplifying. Now x square minus 5x minus 24, I have 2 factors here, 8 minus 8 and 8x plus 3. X minus 8 and x plus 3. So let me write it here, x minus 8 and x plus 3 are the 2 factors upon, already we have the factors x plus 3 into x plus 8 here multiplied by the factors of x square minus 64 are x plus 8 in and x minus 8 upon x minus 8 into x minus 8. Got it all of you? So here we can now simplify by cancelling the like terms as we did in earlier examples. Here we are going to simplify by cancelling the like terms found in the numerator and denominator. So let us see here, x minus 8. Do we have here? No, we have here. So I can cancel this x minus 8 and x minus 8 of the denominator and the numerator. X plus 3 is found in the numerator and x plus 3 is found in the denominator. So I can still cancel it. Next, x plus 8 is in the denominator and x plus 8 is found in the numerator here. Now remember, because of the multiplication sign, we can consider this as numerator, this as denominator. So like terms can be cancelled. Here too we have x minus 8 and x minus 8. Already we have cancelled all the like terms. So what we have is 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, the answer will be x square minus 5x means 24 upon x plus 3 into x plus 8 multiplied by x square minus 64 upon x minus 8 the whole square is equal to 1. So this is how we have simplified the given rational algebraic expressions. Thank you.